Hello and welcome to this video presentation where I'm going to explain to you something very important that's going to help you to build your business very quickly. So I call it the mass customization of business communications. Now, first of all, mass customization means that you've got to write business communications and communicate with your customers and prospects, and in fact all the other stakeholders, including suppliers, collaborators, joint venture partners, investors. You've got to communicate with them in a customized manner, because what happens is that a lot of people are using email marketing services like MailChimp or Constant Contact or Aweber in order to send mass emails. And mass emails have their place. If you're making an incredible offer and you know that most people will respond positively to your incredible offer, then you can send a mass email to everyone. But for most startups and for most small businesses and entrepreneurs and even freelancers, you just don't have an offer like what Apple would put on the market, right? You just don't have a spectacular product or a spectacular offer. So you have to rely, at least at the beginning, you have to rely on mass customization. In other words, you've got to send emails to people that is really customized, because when it's really customized and personalized, then people will see that you care about them. You actually put some thought into your email writing. So because you put some thought into it, they will put some thought into reading your email. So this video is all about mass customization, and I think that this is something that has never been taught in any business school. You haven't seen this in any business book or any business magazine, whether it's Forbes, Fortune, Inc., Entrepreneur. I read all these business magazines and I've never seen any article talk about mass customization of business communications. So this is really an important video. It's going to open your mind about how you can use the power of your computer. I will not ask you to buy anything else. It's just your computer, and you can use your computer, your laptop, to create mass customized business communications. In other words, it's not about being labor intensive anymore. Because when you think about it, whether you're writing on Facebook or LinkedIn or email or any kind of email marketing software, you're always writing, and it takes a lot of time and effort to write emails to each of your important customers, right? So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is write all of your important business communications strategically. In other words, you've got to work with a copywriter like myself, and you write all your business communications once, and then afterwards you just deploy using an application which I'll show you in this video. Deploy simply means that you enter a few keys, is what they call a hotkey, and then your entire business letter will be typed out for you by your computer. So your computer, for the first time, will be working for you as a kind of employee. It will type out everything that you want it to type out. So you don't have to type anymore. You just have to enter a few numbers or a few letters, and that's it. Your whole business letter will be written out automatically, like as if by magic, on the computer screen, and then you can send that strategic business communication letter to the person for whom it is intended. So let's start with this demo. Now, before I start the demo, keep in mind that when I talk about applications, I'm not talking about a dumb application. There are a lot of dumb apps out there, whether they're mobile apps or they're software applications that you're using on your desktop computer. For example, Word and Excel are dumb applications, and I call them dumb not to mean that they're not good or not useful, but they're dumb because there's no intelligence in those applications. Like, for example, this is Word. But Word is not doing anything for me. The only thing that Word does for me is enable me to type these texts on this computer screen, right? So there's no intelligence embedded or encapsulated in Word. But the application, which I will demo for you right now, contains intelligence. It will guide you. So let's get started. The first thing that normally you would do is you would type menu. So this is what I typed, and I just press enter. And after I press enter, you will see all the letters that I can actually send to my to my stakeholders, my clients, suppliers, investors, and all the people who stand to gain from my business. So let's press enter and see what happens. So here you see that all the potential letters are typed out. Actually, they're not letters, they're just the headings of the letters. So I can choose which letters to send to the person that I have in mind. So here I just put like 4 letters, but I actually have like 100 letters that you can use. And there are 100 letters because, like I said, there are so many people, so many stakeholders, so many communications that you can send to them that you need at least 100 letters to really cover yourself. So here I just put 4 letters. So let's see what happens if I choose to announce a new offer to my clients. And this is very important, by the way, because a lot of times people succeed in having clients. So their clients bought something from them, but they're not upselling something, they're not cross-selling something to these clients. And these clients are people who bought from you from the past, so they obviously trust you. So chances are, if you make a new offer to them, they will buy, right? So this is why I chose this as the letter number 1. So let's see what happens if I decide to choose to send to my clients this letter. So I just have to press 001. That's the code, or what they call a hot string. So I press 001 and then I press enter, and you can see that the whole letter is typed out automatically. So currently I'm in Word, but I could be in Facebook, I could be in my MailChimp account. It's the same. The computer just typed out everything, and you can see that it's a very simple letter. You just want to announce to your clients that they are currently have the possibility to buy something for at a very special price. So I'm saying here that my super business seminar normally sells for $97, but because they are my clients, I'd like to offer it for only about $30, and then I offer the link. So it's a very simple letter, but if I had to write that letter myself, every time it would take me a few minutes, and when you add up all the minutes, you've wasted a lot of time, a lot of valuable time. And as you know, in business, time is money. So this is what the greatest benefit. It allows you to save time, but also once you've written this kind of offer, the next time that you have a new offer, you just go to your application and you change the name of the offer. So I could change to another offer like economic options or business model workout, which are 2 of my other training videos, and then I just change the price. And I would change the link here for the special offer. It could be special offer number 23, for example. So as you can see, I can use the same template, and just to let my clients know. And you can see that this letter is not very persuasive because, like I said before, these are clients that have bought from me already. So they don't really have to be persuaded. They know the quality of my products and my trainings and my services. So I just have to announce a special, only $27, and I send this email to all my clients. So this is what I call mass customization of business communications, and that's the way of the future. I really find that it's a tragedy that entrepreneurs are not using their computers to become more efficient in their business communications. What they do is that they spend a lot of time, a lot of labor writing emails left and right, and like I said, when you add up all the minutes, you're wasting a lot of time sending emails here and there, and not only you're wasting time, but your emails are not written in a very strategic way, and therefore your branding is suffering because every email that you send is different and there's no consistent format. So you're not really guiding your prospects and your clients to see you as a solid and reliable company, right? If you want them to see you as a solid and reliable company, you've got to have these template letters that you can send like every week or every 2 weeks, so that they begin to feel that your business is like some kind of machine, and it keeps communicating with them. It keeps sending them new offers. It keeps sharing YouTube videos with them, videos that are of value to them. Educational videos, for example. Your company keeps sending them free offers to thank them for being your clients, and your company keeps sending free offers to your Facebook friends. These are not your clients, these are your Facebook friends, so you have to send them a free offer. And then of course in the free offer, letter, you tell them, you encourage them to share that free offer with their friends, and then that's how you build your list. Because to have access to that free offer, people have to enter their name and email in an opt-in box, right? So that's just 4 letters, but I currently have 100 different letters that you can just use right away when you buy my application, and you just enter the hot string here, the 3 numbers, and your business letter will be automatically typed out like what I did below here. So I'm just going to do it once again so you see the power of automated business communication. So I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to put 001, and you can see after I press enter that it's typed out automatically. So this is really like magic. See, dear clients, good news, bada bing, bada boom, and I supervise the typing. So as the computer is typing out the letter, I make sure that everything is right, and then at the end my name is there. I just send it by email or through the Facebook messaging system. So that's the video I wanted to share with you today. To me, the creation of this kind of app, I started to do programming in 2010. To me, that was one of the greatest discoveries of my business career. So I just wanted to share it with you so that you can save a lot of time in your business communications, and you can be dramatically more precise and persuasive in your business communications when when you create those letters once and then you use them as templates over and over and over again. So in other words, these letters and this whole application, which contains 100 letters, it's like your most or one of your most valuable business asset. It's a business asset because you're using this business asset to communicate with people, prospects, clients, and to persuade them to buy products and services from you. So this app is actually a money-making app because it is convincing people to come to you and to buy your special offers, and that's how you generate cash. So this is a cash-generating application, right? So please contact me if you're interested in receiving your customized version of this application, and I would be very happy to help you. I find that entrepreneurs who are using the internet intensively are very smart, because that's how you can connect to potentially tens of thousands of customers, and that's how you can sell them stuff. Whether your products are digital or physical, you have to communicate with them through internet, because that's where everybody is. You can't really communicate with them in person. People will not physically walk over to your store or to your home office, right? They are sitting at home in front of their computers. So you have to use this application to reach them and persuade them to buy your products and services. And this app makes it so easy for you to sell to people on the internet, because like I said, I have like over 100 letters that you can just type out, by just entering like 3 numbers, and the perfect business letters, the perfect sales letters will be typed out automatically, and then you can send that sales letter to people and they will buy from you. So this app will help you to make a lot of money. So please contact me as soon as possible so we can have a discussion about how you can get this customized app and turbocharge your business and really develop your business to its fullest potential. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and your business connections, and I look forward to talking to you more in my next video.